Good afternoon, everybody. On this Wednesday, Chris Allen here with a real quick weather blast. I just want to bring you up to date on everything that's happening. Of course, we've upgraded our storm condition index to a 9. That has never happened before in the 2 years we've had our storm condition index. That's the highest we have ever rated a possibility of severe weather. Went on a conference, or was in a conference call with the Weather Service about an hour ago. This was around 1 o'clock, 12:30 to 1 o'clock. And in that weather conference call, Shane, Stephanie, and I listened, and what they said was, looks like the severe weather threat this afternoon may not be as bad for southern Kentucky. It looks like it could be a bigger deal to the west of us. Isolated thunderstorms that do pop up this afternoon, though, could become severe very quickly and produce damaging winds, possibly even tornadoes. There is a high risk of severe weather, very rare that that happens, from I-65 west. And that means there's an elevated risk of severe weather, and any storms that form could become severe very quickly, produce not only damaging winds, but strong tornadoes. Now, the tornado watch that we're under right now is until 9 o'clock. It includes pretty much everybody in the WBKO viewing area. There is that risk of severe storms. I think it looks like now it's going to come in maybe after 6 or 7 o'clock this evening. That's when we can expect the very beginning of the worst weather, moving west to east through the Bowling Green, southern Kentucky area, and then moving east of I-65 as we get into the early morning hours of Thursday morning. And there still may be a severe weather threat as we get into Thursday, especially east of I-65. But for now, there's just a lot of sun, a lot of heat and humidity, and a lot of strong winds out there. If any storms do get going this afternoon, some of those could become severe very quickly and maybe even become tornadic. We're looking at a tornado outbreak in parts of western Kentucky especially, maybe not so much here for southern Kentucky, but the threat is there, and I want you to take it seriously. So, Shane, myself, Stephanie, we're all here. We're watching. We're waiting. And as soon as things begin to pop, we will let you know. Just be advised on the Facebook and Twitter pages, we're not going to be able to update everything. Don't depend on that for your warnings. Have a weather radio or have 2 or 3 different sources, TV, local radio, whatever, to monitor the severe weather so you know everything that's going on. Have a plan of preparedness, know where to go. If you're in a mobile home, get out of it, find a neighbor, a friend, a more secure structure for this evening, because this is going to be an overnight kind of situation during the overnight hours when you're not going to be able to see and maybe not even hear what's going on, and that's particularly dangerous. In fact, the Weather Service has put a PDS signature on this watch, this tornado watch, and that means it's a pretty dangerous situation. It means particularly dangerous situation, but pretty dangerous situation is more of the slang term, if you will. But anyway, dangerous. Those are not our words. Those are the Weather Service words. We hope that it's not going to be that bad, but you need to prepare for if it does get that bad. Stay connected. We'll update you as often as we possibly can. Stay safe. God bless you, everyone, and we'll update you later.